On those extra chilly days when your home's heating system just doesn't seem to be reaching all the corners of your home, you may want to rely on a ceramic space heater. This type of heater can help you quickly heat up your space, since they are typically energy efficient compared to other types of heaters. There are many products available to choose from best ceramic heater, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best ceramic heater from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Trio Solaris Slim H3 Space Heater. With a noise rating of just 37.5 decibels on its lowest setting and an array of adjustable features, the Trio Solaris Max Space Heater earns our top spot on this list. This ceramic heater has 5 different heat output modes: H1, H2, H3, Eco, and Fan Only. The heat output ranges from 700 W to 1500 watts. It has an adjustable digital thermostat, too, which allows you to adjust the temperature anywhere between 41 degrees to 95 degrees, so you can really fine-tune the temperature of your room. This heater also has a 70-degree oscillation feature and a timer function, which ranges from 1 to 12 hours. You can take advantage of all these features via the easy-to-read, user-friendly digital display or the remote, which also has a straightforward design. In terms of safety, the heater is ETL-CERTIFIED1 and has both overheating and tip-over protection. The plug's blades are also specially designed to resist bending. Number 2. Comfort Zone Energy Save Heater. The Comfort Zone Energy Save Oscillating Ceramic Heater is an ETL-listed space heater with simple, useful features at an affordable price. The heater offers low, high, and energy-saving settings, plus you can control the temperature of the heat on each mode via the thermostat dial. For those who are particularly concerned about their space heater's energy usage, this model's energy-saving mode is designed to use 30% less energy than the average heater. Note that while this heater does have some handy features, it, unfortunately, lacks a timer feature. The heater has overheating and tip-over auto shut-off safety features, and its exterior is designed to stay cool. Despite being compact and only measuring 5.9 x 5.9 x 9.5 inches, this heater's design is a bit clunky and less attractive compared to other heaters in this roundup. However, it's still easy to use. It has 2 large dials on the top for adjusting the temperature and heat output, and a switch on the front to turn on the oscillation feature. Number 3. Polynis Ceramic Tower Space Heater. The Polynis PTH15A4BGB ceramic tower heater stood out for its design, features, and heating power. The unit offers a high, low, and eco mode, as well as a convenient 8-hour timer option, and it has a maximum temperature of 92 degrees. Its 70-degree oscillation feature functions smoothly, and it operates quietly. The heater also has important safety features it's ETL tested, and features overheat protection and a tip-over auto shut-off function. In terms of design, the tower stands 23 inches tall, and its compact profile means it won't take up too much space wherever you place it. It's lightweight too, which makes moving it quite easy. This heater does a nice job of evenly distributing the heat. Warmth can be felt all around the unit, not just around its front grille. We also appreciated how its heating power remained consistent while operating, as well as how the unit's exterior didn't get too hot and stayed cool to the touch. Number 4. Atomi Smart Wireless Tabletop Heater. The Atomi Smart Tabletop Space Heater stands out for all of its user-friendly features. It's Alexa and Google Assistant compatible, so you can use voice commands if you have the proper voice assistant-enabled devices. It also works with app controls, allowing you to conveniently operate it from your smartphone. However, we did have some difficulties connecting the heater to the app. If you prefer not to use the smart features, you can use the easy-to-read, highly responsive digital display. Our tester noted that their favorite thing about the heater is you can see the temperature digitally on the heater, and can change the temp to what you specifically want. We were pleased with the warmth this heater provided, and how quickly it heated up the space. The exterior did start to feel warm while it was operating, but not excessively hot. Number 5. DeLonghi DCH5915ER Ceramic Compact Heater. The DeLonghi DCH5915ER Ceramic Compact Heater has a small footprint, but still offers effective heating power. The unit measures just 10 x 8 x 14 inches, so you can trust it to be unobtrusive wherever you place it, and it lets you choose from low, high, or eco settings. The eco mode will automatically adjust the heater's settings to help save energy, which is a handy feature for anyone whose top concern is energy efficiency. This model also has an oscillation function, which helps with ensuring even heating distribution, and a 24-hour timer. And when it comes to safety features, this model has a thermal shutoff and thermal fuse for 2 ways to protect against overheating, as well as a tip-over auto shutoff feature. The controls on the unit are user-friendly, and the digital display is clear and easy to read. The remote, however, is a bit awkwardly designed with small buttons, but it's still convenient for when you want to control the heater from a distance. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.